Nothing Technology Limited, stylized as Nothing, is a consumer electronics manufacturer based in London, England. It was founded by Carl Pye, the co-founder of the smartphone maker OnePlus. The last product he worked on at OnePlus was the OnePlus Nord. Investors in the company include iPod inventor Tony Fadell, Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin, Reddit CEO Steve Huffman, and YouTuber Casey Neistat. In 2020, Nothing made its official debut and released its first product, the Nothing Ear 1. In 2021, the Nothing Ear 1 quickly gained popularity, thanks to its distinctive transparent design. On 25th February 2021, the company announced Teenage Engineering as a founding partner, mainly responsible for the brand's design aesthetic and its products. In 2022, rumors circulated that Nothing was planning to develop its own smartphone, and eventually, the Nothing Phone 1 was unveiled to the public. Additionally, in the same year, Nothing also announced their Ear Sticks. Fast forward to 2023, and Nothing has already launched the Ear 2 and Nothing Phone 2. Within just 2 years, they successfully introduced a total of 5 products, ranging from Ear 1 to the Phone 2. Now, the question arises, has Nothing been successful in its endeavors or not? Based on their official data, Nothing Phone 1 has achieved an impressive milestone, selling 750,000 units. This achievement is particularly noteworthy considering that Nothing is a new company in the market, not offering the most budget-friendly phone and making it available online in only selected countries. The limited availability of a new brand often raises the question of whether people will actually buy their products. However, Nothing managed to penetrate the mainstream market to some extent. Even if people don't necessarily purchase their products, they're at least aware of the brand's name, which is no small feat in today's competitive landscape. The intriguing aspect is understanding why Nothing chooses to enter the fiercely competitive phone business when many well-established companies, both Chinese and non-Chinese, are struggling in this industry. The smartphone market has become less lucrative over time, with many companies experiencing a decline in sales compared to previous years. Despite this challenging scenario, Nothing seems determined to focus solely on the mobile phone business. It remains to be seen whether they can sustain their presence and success in the long term. The key factors determining their future in the market will likely depend on their ability to innovate, offer unique features, and resonate with consumers who have numerous choices when it comes to smartphones. Only time will reveal whether Nothing can carve out a lasting niche in this highly competitive industry. Nothing, led by Carl Pye, has mastered the art of creating exceptional phones, building on the foundation laid during his time at OnePlus. The strategic move of bringing skilled employees from OnePlus to form Nothing's team has proven beneficial, as they understand how to produce phones that resonate with the market and sell well. Unlike many competitors, Nothing keenly identifies what people desire and offers those features at the right price point. Nothing's success lies in their precise understanding of product value and pricing. The inclusion of LED lights and glyphs adds a distinctive touch, but their real strengths lie in top-notch materials, impressive displays, camera quality, robust hardware, and intuitive software. The idea of creating an accessible phone for the common man led to the concept of glyphs on the phone's back, which became an integral part of his identity. Emphasizing versatility and catering to the average user, Nothing aims to attract a substantial consumer base at a specific price point. The success of Nothing is evident, as it has secured funding amounting to $96 million, totaling its funding at $250 million. With this financial boost, Nothing is expanding its presence, with plans to establish its own stores in different countries and exclusive service centers. The company's impressive growth suggests the possibility of further expansion, potentially reaching more customers through offline channels. The future looks promising for Nothing, however, only time will reveal the unfolding developments in the times to come. In the upcoming 2 to 3 years, Nothing faces a crucial period. The company will focus on manufacturing phones and maintaining its existing user base while being mindful of its budget for product development. Nothing intends to stick to its current strategy in the foreseeable future. However, there are certain limitations to Nothing. It is unlikely that they will rank among the top 5 smartphone brands. Competing with industry giants like Apple or Samsung is also beyond their reach. Instead, Nothing aims to establish a niche in the market, acknowledging that it cannot capture the entire market share and will concentrate on its specific segment. Nothing experienced success in the 30,000 price segment last year, and this year, they're targeting the 40,000 price segment, where their phones are performing well. However, challenges may arise in the future, especially when the market becomes saturated. In such a scenario, Nothing may need to explore new opportunities and venture into innovative areas beyond just mobile phones. Unlike some competitors, Nothing has not taken as many risks or showcased significant innovation. Their focus has been on making minimal design changes without altering the core functionality of their products. Although this approach reduces the likelihood of product failures, it also limits their potential for groundbreaking opportunities. For instance, LG used to adopt a more experimental and innovative approach, resulting in higher-priced phones. However, this strategy ultimately led to LG's absence from the mobile phone space. On the other hand, Nothing chose a path of transparency and glyph lighting, avoiding concept phones and wild innovations. While Nothing experimented with their ear stick, it didn't gain much traction in the market. Presently, they primarily manufacture earphones and mobile phones. However, the question remains whether they will venture beyond these products to make a lasting impact. It is worth noting that most startups face challenges, and many do not survive beyond their first 5 years. The future of Nothing is uncertain, but it will undoubtedly be intriguing to observe. What are your thoughts on the future of Nothing? Feel free to share your comments below and stay tuned for more tech updates. See you in the next one.